POCO F6 na Harry Potter Edition? May ganun ba? Ito, POCO F6 Harry Potter Edition. Itong phone na ito is being powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Meron siyang AMOLED display and up to 120Hz of screen refresh rate. 5,000 mAh ang kanyang battery and fast charge up to 90 watts. And best of all, magandang 50MP na camera. Naintriga ka? Tara, pag-usapan natin. So the POCO F6 na may 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is currently priced at 21,999. And ang POCO F6 na Harry Potter Edition aka the Redmi Turbo 3, ang ganang 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage is currently priced at 28,000 pesos. And nabili ko nga pala to sa Shandy Masangkay. I'll be posting the link on the description box. Now, pansin ko dito sa kanyang design is not very simple. Flat na flat. Wala ka na makita yung hati dito or wala ka na rin makita yung parang naka-emboss dito para sa kanyang camera's design. It's just outright plain ang kanyang likod and nakaumbok ang kanyang dalawang camera module and medyo flat ang kanyang LED flash dito. And ang kanyang LED flash dito, almost ring light na ang kanyang datingan. So, pwede pang vlog. Pag nilagay mo siya sa table, expect mo magwa-wobble siya kasi medyo protruded ang kanyang camera module. So I would highly suggest na bumili kayo ng case like this one. And this is the Shandy Beetle case. Pag nilapag mo siya, wala na. Hindi na siya magwa-wobble. Ayos, di ba? Link on the description. Now, one of the good things dito is matte finish ang kanyang gilid. And hindi siya tulad ng ibang phone na masyado makintab ang gilid. So, hindi mo kailangan punas ng punas. Ang kanyang side frame is plastic frames. And ang likod niya seems to be a plastic nung tinatap ko. Sad to say, ang kanyang SIM card slot only can accommodate 2 5G SIM. Walang micro SD expansion. Overall, ang kanyang form factor is nice, masarap i-grip, and hindi siya makanto. And I just simply like the way it is. Now, this phone has a powerful na Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. Checking its benchmarking dito sa Antutu benchmark, nakakuha siya ng 1.45 million point. And if you break it down, this is the score that you should get. Maganda naman kanyang thermal throttling and it throttled to 94% na kanyang best performance. 2,700 naman kanyang loop score sa Wild Dive Extreme and 95% na kanyang stability. Ito ang score na nakuha na dito sa Geekbench sa kanyang CPU benchmarking. This phone has a 5,000 mAh of battery, can charge you up to 90 watts na fast charging. So meaning if you're charging from 0 to 100, less than an hour, kayang-kaya na matapos. And what's nice dito is kaya naman na magtagal ng 1 whole day without charging as long as you're using it normally. And the best news dito, I would tell you, is that makunat ang kanyang battery. Bakit? Kung sinalang ko to sa PC Mark the battery stress test, using 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate, 18 hours and 3 minutes ang screen on time ang nakuha kong resulta. Goods. Now, ang display nito is a 6.67-inch na Flow AMOLED display. Kaya na mag-display up to 1.5K and it has a 120 Hz of screen refresh rate plus 2160 ang kanyang touch sampling rate. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is 2400 nits and it's being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Now, I expect the display is really nice if you're using it for social media. Kung nagsuscroll ka sa Facebook, sa Twitter, and sa Instagram, it's really nice. So, as long as maganda yung internet connection, expect a really good experience dito sa phone na ito. And this one has a level 1 na wideband security level. Kung nanood ka ng mga HD like sa Netflix, panalong-panalo itong phone na ito. And kahit hindi ka manood ng Netflix dito, like let's say manood ka ng mga video dito sa YouTube, expect mo rin na magandang kanyang display. Very rich ang kanyang pagka-black dito. And the colors are definitely punchy. So, ma-enjoy mo every moment you're watching some videos dito. Now, this phone has a stereo speaker, 3 butas sa ibabaw and 5 butas dito sa ilalim. Tingnan lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang tugtog nito. To my surprise, perfect na perfect ang energy nitong phone na ito when you're listening to Spotify. Malakas ang kanyang sounds. Now, I was able to play 3 games with the POCO F6, playing Call of Duty Mobile, Farlight 84, and Genshin Impact. Call of Duty Mobile, expect mo really nice and ang ganda experience dito. Dahil itong game na ito is not very graphically intense, so expect mo this is going to be a very nice experience when you're playing Call of Duty Mobile. The game is very immersive and the touch response is really fast. Halos wala kang mafe-feel na frame drops dito when you're playing Battle Royale and ranked matches. Pagdating mo sa Farlight 84, I was able to set it to all high settings. And to my surprise, smooth naman halos ang gameplay dito. Halos very minimal ang lags. And playing this game for 1.5 hours non-stop, the experience is really nice. Sobrang immersive ang experience ko dito. And I've been playing this game dito sa phone nito for the past 2 weeks. And talagang sobrang smooth ang experience ko sa kanya. Though it's a little bit hot kasi umabot siya ng 46 degrees Celsius kasi sinet ko siya sa all high settings. Genshin Impact naman, you'll be surprised na okay din ang kanyang graphics dito. After playing this game for 30 minutes, I would say sobrang okay din siya. Halos very minimal ang mga frame drops na mafe-feel mo dito sa Genshin Impact. And to my surprise na halos pa naglalaro ka together with maraming mga kalaban, so magbakbakan kayo sa battlefield, halos wala ka na feel na frame drops, to be honest with you. Though medyo mainit nga lang tong phone na ito, umabot siya ng around mga 47 degrees Celsius to 48 based sa aking miles in the thermal scanner, and a phone cooler would definitely solve that problem. Now, ang camera nito is being powered by Sony LYT600 sensor. It's a 50MP na main camera lens and meron din siya 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Meron din pala itong OIS and EIS na dual stabilization to give you the better stabilization when you're taking videos. And ang kanyang front-facing camera ng 20MP can only shoot you up to 1080p and 60fps. But yung kanyang rear camera can take you a 4K and 60fps. Now, one of the good things about the camera on the POCO F6, if you are taking it outdoor, expect that you'll be getting some really nice shots. And taking a look dito sa flower na ito. And it's just a very simple shot, but it looks very dramatic pag tinignan mo mabuti. And further taking more shots dito sa mga bulaklak na ito, you'll see some really nice details when you zoom it in. Taking some shots naman dito sa mga greens na ito, I would say very natural ang kanyang shot. It's a little bit saturated pero hindi masyado OA ang kanyang pagka-saturate. When you're taking some tall building shot naman, okay naman siya. And honestly, medyo gloomy dito when I took this shot. Pero yung clouds niya looks to be a little bit enhanced kaya medyo mukhang maliwanag siya. Now, playing with its ultra-wide lens, this is a ultra-wide shot. This is a normal shot. And this is a 2x zoom shot. After 2x zooming it, okay pa rin siya. Very clear pa rin siya. And one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya is that yung kanyang color ng sky is almost the same all throughout all 3 shots. So, be it dito sa kanyang 2x zoom, normal shot, and yung kanyang ultra-wide shot, almost the same ang color blue ng sky. Now, taking a look naman dito on top of the bridge dito sa Trinoma, it looks really nice though. Very nice ang mga details na makaka-capture mo dito while you're on top. And here is another shot on the other side of the street. Now, kung ang trip mo naman is food photography, kayang-kaya nitong camera mag-perform on indoors. Expect some really nice shots dito when you're taking some food shot. And yeah, honestly, I was surprised din sa ganda ng kanyang camera. Taking all of these shots, very nice, and masasabi ko, looks yummy naman mga food dito while I'm dito sa buffet table. Even itong steak niya looks really nice and yummy. And ito naman yung lechon. And nung pinicturean ko to sa loob ng wine store, it looks really nice and very dramatic shot na ito. And this shot is looking good as well. Some flower shots from indoor looks nice and sharp. And some apparel shots looks also okay, like this. And kung mahilig ka naman sa selfie, ito kanyang camera sa harap looks really nice. And I would say medyo na-enhance konti. Medyo nawala konti mga blemishes sa akin mukha. And some of this outdoor shot looks really nice. And maganda rin kahit yung sharpness ng background ko looks really good. And when you're trying to take some photos on indoors, hindi lang siya ganun kasing ganda ng mga outdoor shot. But there are times na nakapagkuha ko naman some decent shot from the indoors. But there are times na pag medyo madilim, it looks a little bit grainy. This is probably one of my favorite indoor shot. Ang ganda ng pagka-represent ito photo nito, parang sobrang litaw na litaw yung subject. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera to take a video, I would expect a really smooth na video dito sa F6. Yeah, panning around looks really nice, except medyo a little bit harsh pag medyo nakatapat ka sa araw. Ganito naman itsura niya when you're taking vlog indoor. Okay din, smooth din siya, pero a little bit grainy siya. Hindi lang siya kasing ganda when you're taking it outdoor. Taking a 4K video using the rear camera, expect a very smooth na video dahil sa kanyang OIS, and I'm just using my bare hand to take this video. So yan guys, nakita nyo na itong dalawang phone na ito. It's exactly the same. Performance is almost the same. Halos wala naman masyadong pinagkaiba. So that's why nag-focus tayo halos dito sa POCO F6. Overall, panalo to pagdating sa gaming. And I really love the way it is. Kasi sobrang nice naman niya. And probably these two are one of the best phone na pwede mo mabili itong 2024. Itong POCO F6 and ang Redmi Turbo 3 Harry Potter Edition. Now, if you're a Potterhead, I would highly recommend this to you kasi sobrang limited lang stocks nito. This is definitely a keepsake, a collector's item para sa mga mahilig sa Harry Potter. And kung gusto mo malaman kung saan ko ito binili ko to sa Shandy Masangkay. And I'll be posting the link on the description box. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako para sa Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.